everybody, Pete at Carpizzo's Kitchen, and today we have a treat for you. This is a chicken, right? So I'm going to give you the dotted line way to cut up a chicken. So stay with me, I'll take you step by step, and we will have a chicken cut up because later today I'm going to make air fried chicken. Italian style with breading and all. So we have to cut the chicken up first. So here's your chicken. Make sure it's a fresh chicken, ice cold from the refrigerator when you brought it home. Flip him over like this. Flip him over. Get a nice sharp knife. You need a nice sharp knife. And then start with your wings. So you come in there and you find the joint on the wings and you pull it back and you pull it back and you pull it back.
Can you turn it so I can see it this? Well, you're going to show on this side now. Okay.
There's one wing. And then we come in and we flip him over.
I can't see that side.
And we flip him over. And we flip him over. You know, we have armchair cutters here. We have people talking armchairs. And we flip him over and we cut around and we cut around and we cut around and we flip him over. We see we've cut and we cut and we pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Now you have two wings. Flip him over. Flip him over. Cut right through here because there's the dotted line, and then just pull him back because there's your thigh bone just popped out, and you pull your knife around and you pull your knife around and pull it around, and now you have a leg and a thigh. Flip him around. You do the same thing on the other side. Score him, pull him, snap him, and then pull it and pull him around. Now you have two legs and thighs. Now set him up like this. Set him up on his little butt, but he don't have a butt anymore, right? Okay, so you set him up. Take your knife. Start at the top, holding him back. Don't cut yourself. Come straight down straight down through the bones, straight down. Pull him back. Pull him back so you have the back, which we're going to save and use to make broth with later on. And you have the back, and just pop him like this and cut around. And now you have the back removed. Here's the back. Okay, we'll save that for later. Then take him like this, set him down, because now you have the breast, and this is a big breast. Cut, score like this, push with your knife, split him in half like this with your hands. So now the breastbone, you can see the breastbone here, right? There's the breastbone. Take your knife, come right next to that breastbone, come right down, cut like that, and now you have one half of the breast and the other half. So what we need to do is take and get this breastbone out of here. So just take your thumb, here it is, the breastbone, and pull it. It didn't pull out, it didn't pop out. That does happen occasionally. If that does, then we will cut and we will pull it out. So I'll be back in a little bit and I'll show you how to cut these up. So for now, remember to subscribe to Heal, Eat, and Teach because Carpizzo's Kitchen is all part of that. And like us in Facebook and join our Facebook Carpizzo's Kitchen group and Carpizzo's page. So for now, I'll say cook, eat, and enjoy. We love you all. This is Pete, out.